Jai Shri Radhe Jai Mata Di. Hello, good morning everyone. This is Al Prakash from Best Internet Stocks for today and tomorrow. So guys, in this video, I'm going to analyze top 12 best internet stocks for tomorrow's trading session. But before proceeding to the top 12 best internet stocks, I would like to disclose the previous day working sessions result. So, total education trading cost I provided you 67, out of which profit cost was 65 and loss cost was only 0 and 2. So, please have a very fast look on previous day working sessions result. Okay, so equity cash cost 32, option cost 6, future cost 7, nifty and bank nifty cost 22. So first is ACC 1903 to 1915.50, Oro Pharma 882 to 886.95, DLF was in loss, Havels 1050 to 1046.15, Dr. Reddy 4550 to 4594, Dr. Reddy again 4535 to 4594, Bajaj Finance 5165 to 5162. Next is Tata Motors 306.15 to 303.05, Jindal Steel 347.80 to 373.50, Apollo Hospital 2878 to 2845, Cipla 819 to 812, Gujarat Gas 564.80 to 542. So next is Coforge 2990 to 2890, Asian Paint 2543 to 2564, Hero Motocorp 2960 to 3004, Britannia 3650 to 3612. Next is TCS 3206 to 3147. Next is Bajaj Auto 3734 to 3764, Coforge 3045 to 2890, SRT Finance 1444 to 1426, Tata Elxsi 2780 to 2797, Adani Gas 1000 to 1087, Galaxo 1435.30 to 1448. Now option trades: Maruti 7000 की कॉल 228.50 to 242, लॉट साइज 100 quantities per lot. Next is SCL Tech 1010 की कॉल 41 to 44.60, लॉट साइज 700 quantities per lot. Next is Coforge 3000 की कॉल 156 to 199, lot size 375 quantities per lot. Next is Mindtree 2200 की कॉल 57.05 to 62, lot size 800 quantities per lot. Next is Voltas 1000 की कॉल 44 to 46.70, Hero Motocorp 3000 की कॉल 88 to 104, lot size 3000, lot size Hero Motocorp 3000 की कॉल 88 to 104, lot size 300 quantities per lot. Now future trades: ACC 1903 to 1930, lot size 500 quantities per lot. Oro Pharma 882 to 893, lot size 650 quantities per lot. DLF 293 to 295.45, lot size 3300 quantities per lot. Next is Tata Motors 308 to 304.50, lot size 5700 quantities per lot. Jindal Steel 349.50 to 375, lot size 5000 quantities per lot. Cipla Food 819 to Cipla Food 819 to 817, lot size 1300 quantities per lot. Adani Gas 1000 की Adani Gas 1000 की sorry, I have to just check it out again in Adani Gas. I had not yet updated. Okay, so next is Nifty and Bank Nifty trades. Bank Nifty 33,500 की कॉल 255 to 420, Bank Nifty 33,300 की कॉल 350 to 600, Bank Nifty 33,300 की कॉल again 425 to 600, Bank Nifty 33,800 की put 340 to 585, Bank Nifty 33,400 की कॉल 270 to 510, Bank Nifty 34,000 की put 557 to 760, Bank Nifty 33,100 की कॉल 470 to Bank Nifty 33,100 की कॉल 470 to 800, Bank Nifty 34,000 की put 557 to 760. Next is Bank Nifty 33,100 की कॉल 470 to 800, Next is Bank Nifty 33,900 की put 515 to 682. Next Bank Nifty 33,700 की put 350 to 501. Bank Nifty 33,700 की call 100 to 248. Next is next is Nifty 14,850 की put from 80 to 150. Bank Nifty 33,200 की call 340 to 700 quantities per lot. Sorry. Bank Nifty 33,200 की call 340 to 700. Bank Nifty 33,200 की call 340 to 700. Next is Bank Nifty 33,700 की call 95 to 148. Next is Bank Nifty 33,700 की put 360 to 500. Bank Nifty 33,700 की call 95 to 148. Next is Nifty 14,900 की call from 8 to 13.80. And next is Bank Nifty 33,100 की call 340 to 800. Next is Nifty 14,700 की put from 26 to 56. Next is Nifty 14,600 की put 9.20 to 25. Next is Nifty 14,900 की call 9 to 13.50. I have provided you both of the above 14,600 की put and 14,900 की call as a 0 or hero. So next is Bank Nifty 33,700 की put from 410 to 500. Next is Bank Nifty 33,100 की Bank Nifty 33,100 की call from 360 to 800. Now I have a very fast look on the previous day analysis of my YouTube calls. Okay, so Kotak Bank 1753 to 1810. HUL Hindustan Unilever 2,432 to 2,439. HDFC from 2,498 to 2,532. Next is Coal India 130.50 to 132.40. Next is Coal Power 1560 to 1578. Next is Marico 411 to 406.40. Dabur 540 to 536.80. Petronet 225 to 228.50. Next is ICICI GI 1433 to 1442.90. So that was all relating to our result, previous day working result. So now I have a very fast look on tomorrow's education. Now I have a very fast look on tomorrow's educational trading sessions. Batch 12 intraday stocks for tomorrow's trading session. Okay, so first pick will be my HUL. We can go for the buy side in HUL in Hindustan Unilever only above 2,400. Next is Infosys. We can go for the sell side in Infosys only below 1,400. Around 1,400 you can go for the sell in Infosys. Around 1,400 if you found the levels of 1,395 or around 1,400. If you found the bounce also around 14.5 or 14.10, then also you can go for the short in Infosys. You can go for the sell side in Infosys. Okay. So next is Kotak Bank. We can go for the sell side in Kotak Bank only below 1,400. Please keep in mind only below 1,400. You have to just wait for the levels. You have to just respect the levels. Okay. So next is Britannia. We can go for the buy side in Britannia only above 3,620. We can go for the buy side in Britannia only above 3,620. So next is if you found the dip also, if you found the dip in Britannia also, then also you can go for the buy side in Britannia around 3,602. Okay, only above 3,602. So next is HDFC Bank. We can go for the sell side in HDFC Bank only below 1,480. What you have to do? You have to just wait for the sell side in HDFC Bank only below 1,480. So next pick is my Imami, we can go for the buy side in Imami only above 488. Only above 488. So next is Dalmia Bharat. We can go for the buy side in Dalmia Bharat only above 1560. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to just wait for the levels of 15 of the sustenance of the level of 1560. Okay. Next is Greenwell. We can go for the buy side in Greenwell only above 935. Next is Endurance Tech. We can go for the buy side in Endurance Tech only above 1440. Next is JK Cement. We can go for the JK Cement only above 2920. Okay, you have to just wait for the sustenance of the candlesticks. Okay, then only you can go for the buy side in JK Cement. Okay. So next is Brigade. Brigade Enterprise. We can go for the buy side in Brigade Enterprise only about 268. We can go for the buy side in Brigade Enterprise only about 268. So next is next and last pick is JK Lakshmi. JK Lakshmi we can go for the buy side in JK Lakshmi only above 439. So what you have to do, you have to just wait for the levels, wait for the sustenance of the level. It is not simply as that you have to just if the levels crosses above 439, you are simply going and buying. No, you don't have to do like this. You have to wait for the sustenance of these levels. Okay, if it crosses and wait for minimum 5 minutes, then only you can take this trade. Okay, you have to just wait for the time frame on the time frame of 15 minutes on the chart, then only go for the buying levels. Whatever levels I'm providing you, you have to just wait for the sustenance of these levels. Okay, so respect the levels, market will definitely respect your profits. Okay, so if you are not yet subscribed to my Telegram channel and to my YouTube channel, then go and subscribe to my Telegram and YouTube channel, because I'm providing the more than 50 plus trades, more than 50 plus educational trades on everyday basis. Okay, so keep running, stay tuned on my Telegram and YouTube channel. Till that, Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Mata Di, and see you on tomorrow's trading educational session. Till that, goodbye, take care. Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Mata Di.